The 1958 Lincoln Premier stands out as a colossal and controversial monument to late 1950s American automotive luxury and excess. Positioned as Lincoln's mid-level offering, this massive machine measured nearly 19 feet long and featured a groundbreaking unibody construction, setting it apart from its contemporaries. Its defining characteristic is the polarizing, slant-eye front-end design, featuring heavily hooded, canted quad headlights and scalloped fenders that reflected the era's dramatic styling trends. Under the hood, a powerful 430 cubic inch, 7.0 Mel V8 engine delivered 375 horsepower, necessary to propel its considerable weight, offering a driving experience characterized by effortless power and an ultra-smooth, gliding ride courtesy of its focus on comfort. Inside, the Premier was opulent, boasting power everything and a futuristic, flight-inspired dashboard, confirming its status as a direct competitor to Cadillac and Imperial. Today, this distinctive car is highly collectible, valued not just for its rarity but as an unmistakable and bold artifact of a time when bigger truly meant better in the world of American luxury automobiles. The 1958 Lincoln Premier truly represents the pinnacle of post-war American automotive opulence and engineering complexity. This year marked a significant change, as the Premier, along with the Capri and Continental models, was built on a new, massive unibody platform, the first unibody designed for Lincoln since the Zephyr. Powering this 19-foot-long land yacht was an equally immense 430 cubic inch, 7.0 Mel V8 engine, delivering a stout 375 horsepower through a 3-speed turbodrive automatic transmission. Despite its over 2-ton curb weight, this robust engine allowed for surprising performance, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times under 10 seconds. The driving experience was engineered for ultimate comfort, featuring a new trailing arm rear suspension designed to absorb road imperfections and provide a smooth. The financial and historical context of the 1958 Lincoln Premier provides the final piece of the review, showing why this colossal car is now a highly regarded classic despite its original commercial struggles. The 1958 model year coincided with a U.S. economic recession, which significantly impacted sales for all luxury brands. Despite the immense investment in its development, including the pioneering use of unibody construction for the car's massive scale, the 1958 full-size Lincoln line sold poorly overall, totaling just 10,275 units across all models. This sales flop contributed to Lincoln losing over $60 million between 1958 and 1960. The high original price, which ranged from approximately $5,300 to $5,565, equivalent to over $59,000 in 2024 dollars, also made it inaccessible to most buyers, further hampered by the polarizing, excessive styling that earned it the slant-eyed monster nickname. However, its collector appeal today stems directly from these original issues. The low production numbers, complicated engineering, and propensity for rust have thinned the surviving ranks, making well-maintained examples increasingly rare. Consequently, a 1958 Lincoln Premier in good condition with average specifications is typically valued in the $13,500 to over $20,000 range today, with high retail, exceptional examples selling for more. This massive vehicle is now appreciated as a bold, unrepeatable statement of 1950s American design, a fascinating piece of automotive history that failed commercially but now triumphs as a collectible rarity.